Managing diabetes through diet? Let's make it easier with these top 5 tips. Tip number 1. Monitor those carbs. Carbs directly impact your blood sugar. Go for complex carbs like whole grains, fruits, and veggies. Tip 2. Fiber is your friend. It helps regulate blood sugar and keeps digestion smooth. Load up on beans, lentils, and whole grains. Next up, tip 3. Choose healthy fats. Avocado, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are your go-tos. They're great for your heart and blood sugar levels. Tip 4. Portion control is key. Watch your serving sizes to manage calories and carbs. It helps with weight management too. And finally, tip 5. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to keep your blood sugar in check. Remember, always consult with your healthcare provider or dietitian for a personalized plan. And don't forget, regular exercise and monitoring your blood sugar are just as crucial. Stay healthy, friends.